curls are back, and the curls are pop. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, the silk press is dead, okay? I have been having my hair straight for over a month. We listen and we don't judge. Yes, I know. Bad, but I have been experiencing major laziness with my hair, and I just haven't done anything to it. So it's time for the official wash day after my silk press. If you have not checked out my silk press video, I'll be sure to link that down below and up here in the card so you can check that out so you can see the process and how I completed my DIY silk press at home and how I made it last for over a month. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my process of reverting my curls back and making sure my curls are popping, okay, with no damage, because we don't want that heat damage. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my curls back and how I get my curls to revert back from a silk press. So let's just get into it. I normally like to do when my hair has been in a silk press for days on end is I don't normally just jump into shampooing my hair. I like to apply like a pre-conditioning treatment. With that, I am going to be using the Skala Avocado Conditioning Cream. This is a Brazilian hair care cream that I have used before, and I love the results on it. I normally use it as a pre-poo when I do. I just mentioned this in one of my latest videos where I'm talking about affordable natural hair products. If you haven't checked that out, be sure to check that out. I'll be sure to leave that down in the description below. But yes, this is one of those products that I just love. I'm going to be using this as a pre-poo to kind of help my hair revert. So I've sectioned my hair in 4 sections, and in this section you can kind of see like my hair has reverted back some, but not all the way. Of course, I've been working out, I've been sweating. Like I said, my silk press was in my hair for over a month. Oof, child, no judgment, okay? So I did have some reversion, but not much. So the silk press did stick around for a good little while. Right now I'm just sectioning my hair, and I'm just gonna add the Skala conditioner to the ends of my hair and kind of work that all the way into my hair. I'll take about that much. I'll rub it in my hand and just apply it like that. And with applying this like pre-poo conditioner, ideally my hair would revert back like immediately because it is a water-based type product. So like you can already see, taking a generous amount of this because since my hair has not been washed in a while, my hair is so dry. So this treatment is definitely going to help with adding that moisture back into the hair as well. Like, ooh, you see that? It's already reverting. All right, okay. Yeah, curls, come on, curls. And I'm just taking my time, adding that Skala all through my hair, starting with the ends first. You can already look. And one thing I love about this Skala Brazilian hair care is it's really good for the hair. It's very moisturizing. It glides onto the hair so well and has a lot of slip. You can see my curls already reverting back. Wow, the shrinkage is that shrinkage never lies. It is not a lie. Do you hear me? Never, ever. So I am going to kind of let this hang out like this, and we're going to start adding the rest of the pre-conditioner to the other sections of my hair. Some of the last sections of my hair of adding that conditioner to help my hair revert back, and the curls are already popping. I mean, look at baby. Silk press, no damage. That's what you want. That's what you want every time. Every time. The curls are popping already. I put all of the conditioner on all parts of my hair, and my hair pretty much has reverted back all the way. But just to give it some extra conditioning, some extra moisture back into the hair, I'm just going to take a shower cap and put this over my hair for about a few minutes. I'm going to let this hang out for about 5 minutes and I'll be back. So I just took the shower cap off my hair. Before I go in with the shampoo process, because I haven't washed my hair in months and my scalp is just icky, I'm going to go in with the Masking and Relaxing Scalp Mask by TPH. And this is just going to help during the shampoo process to lift any debris from my scalp and to help with some of that scalp health, because like I said, I haven't washed my hair in like 30 days and I should be ashamed, but listen, it is what it is. So just applying that to my scalp like so and rubbing it in. I'm going to finish applying the mask all through my scalp on the other sections of my hair, kind of let it hang out and massage in that mask a little bit on my scalp just to kind of help lift some of that debris. Let that hang out, and then we're gonna move on to the shampoo process. Now on to the shampoo process, rinsing my hair thoroughly, making sure that I'm getting all of that product that I just applied. And then going in with the TPH Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo. This shampoo has aloe, honey that soothes the scalp and moisturizes the hair. And since my hair has not been washed in a while, I needed a clarifying shampoo to get all of the gunk out of it, and this is one of my favorites. I do go in with a second application to make sure that lather is really good, using the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit shampoo brush to get all of that gunk out of the hair. This shampoo made my hair feel so clean without over drying. It just had that squeaky clean feeling that I love. After the first shampoo application, I'm going in with the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Shampoo. Now, I'm using this shampoo application to put the moisture back in my hair that I just removed from the cleansing. Next up, you gotta do a deep conditioning. I'm using the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey Hair Mask. This is one of my favorite deep conditioning hair masks. It makes my hair feel so good. Now I'm back from completely washing my hair and deep conditioning. I did sit under a heated cap for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow that conditioner to kind of seep into my tresses to make sure the moisture is just sealed into my hair. So now, because my curls have been gone all this time, I'm just going to style my hair in a wash and go. And in today's wash and go products, I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Curl Up Moisture Milk. I'm going to be adding this to my hair as a leave-in and then following it up with the Curl Maker as my styler. Generous amount of that curl milk and just raking that in my hair. When using the Camille Rose products, they do recommend using the Curl Love Moisture Milk. You don't have to, but they do recommend it. So, and because I just want my hair to have a leave-in, I'm just going to pair it with what they recommended. So just making sure all of my hair is saturated with the curl milk. The hair is completely reverted. I don't notice any like loose strands yet, but once I style my hair in the wash and go, that will be a telltale sign. So I can't wait to see what the results are going to look like once I style my hair up. Working in sections, and again taking a generous amount of that leave-in cream and just applying it to all of my hair. I'm gonna finish applying the Curl Up moisturizer all through my hair, and then I'll come back when it's time to apply the Curl Maker gel. Okay guys, I am back. This is much later in the day. It's been a long wash day, so I gave myself a little break. But I did finish applying the Curl Love Moisture Milk on my hair, so my hair has that all applied. My hair is not solely wet, it is damp. So I will be applying more water in my hair because, listen, wash and go, your hair has to be soaking wet, or at least wet. I'm going to be reapplying some water and using the Curl Maker, the Camille Rose Curl Maker, as my styler. Love this styler for my low porosity hair. It has marshmallow and agave leaf extract. This styler, I believe, has a humectant in it as well, which is known to be great for low porosity hair. So let's just go ahead and get these curls popping. My hair has been sectioned and detangled, and I'm just gonna go in and apply that styler. Taking my water bottle, this is the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit, a continuous spray bottle. Spraying that hair down with water, just making sure it is truly saturated. With the Curl Maker, they recommend that the hair be wet. A generous amount of the Curl Maker, about that much. It even says to use a generous amount, so I'm rubbing it in my hands. So I'm working that in. And just raking that down the ends of my hair. So yeah, the curls is popping. The curls is back. The curls are back. Look. This Curl Maker will definitely give the hair that defined soft kind of curl, not really rock hard, which I love. So it's going to give me that definition with moisture and volume. That's a good mix. I love that. So that's the first section of me applying that product. I'm going to finish applying this through all of my hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just finished applying all of the product to the back sections of my hair, and if you've been following me and you've been watching a lot of my wash and go videos, these are the hair weights which I put on my hair every time I do a wash and go. It just helps elongates my hair and prevents some of that shrinkage. I love them. If you're interested, of course, I'll leave it down in the description below, and of course all the products that I am using, it'll be down in the description below. But yeah, this is the first half of my hair, and yes, the curls are popping. I can always tell when my curls are in really good shape is because I don't have any stringiness as much, right? You know, like you just know the curls just kind of draw up. So that's a great sign, okay? No heat damage, because we don't want that. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish applying the rest of the Curl Maker, and then I'll show you what my wet results look like, and then we'll go from there. I'm on the very last sections of my hair. If you've watched my wash and go videos, the process that I go through is the same, so I feel like I didn't have to, you know, show all of that on this video, but the process is pretty much the same. So I've applied all of the product on my hair, and I put these two clips. I just like putting these clips on my hair when it dries. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer to make sure my hair is fully dry. I'm gonna come back with the full results of my curls popping back. Hi guys, okay, I am back, and this is actually a day later, okay? So I had to check in because the curls are back and the curls are popping, moisturized, and all of the things. Yay! No heat damage, okay? That's what we always want to come back from a silk press. No heat damage, because we don't want that. We want our curls back. So yes, these are the results, guys. These are the results. I know my wash day was rather long, but I just wanted to take my time with getting my curls right back to where we started, okay? So yeah, with doing my silk press, I normally do a silk press once or twice a year. I don't shy away from heat because I will use a blow dryer to stretch my curls and things of that nature, but in terms of direct heat with a silk press, I'm normally doing that once or twice a year. And with that, I can almost count on my hair not having heat damage. And I do believe with my silk press process, it's definitely contributed to my hair care routine as well as the products that I use. So I'll be sure to put that video down in the description below, of course, so you can check it out and you can check out the products that I use, because with that silk press, my hair, it went over 30 days. Even though I didn't need to, I was just being lazy. I was being so lazy. Oh God, I'm lazy now. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.